everybody, welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. I hope you're well. So for today we're going to be working on some tags, and we're going to be making tags with pockets, but something I'm going to do a little differently today, because I wanted to start using up some of my envelopes that I've got in the kit, and I've also made a few extra using the same shape. So what I've done, I've taken the larger pockets, envelopes, sorry, that we've got in with the one of the kits. Literally, if you have any of my kits, you will have these envelopes in there, because I love the tops of them. And what I've basically done is I've just taken a sample of kit paper, so I've printed them into little squares, and then I've just simply placed my envelope at the top of the piece of paper, and I've just cut around the silhouette shape, so it's given me then some smaller ones with these shapes. Okay, and I'm going to be using these now this morning to make some pockets. Now I've got some smaller envelopes here as well. They were one of the freebies, I think, in our coffee page. But if you go onto our coffee page and look back through all of the freebies, there are lots of different envelopes on there, different shapes and sizes, through all different kits, and there are some on there from last autumn, from when we did the Medici kit, so they are also in boho pattern if you wanted to download those for free as well. Okay, so I have made up some tags. I have backed them with some of my lovely stencil painted coffee dye papers, so they're all ready to go. They're all inked up ready, and I thought we would just have a little play and we would see how we could mix and match some different patterns and make some amazing looking pockets, something that's going to be really boho. So the first one I want to do, let's grab this here. I'm going to need my glue for this. Where I have copied the shape of the top of the envelope, like I said, I've put that onto a piece of paper. I've also taken out the bottom bit. Oh, I haven't inked that there, my bad. There we go. And I've done a notch then in the base, like you would see in an envelope, and I'm simply folding this in half. So imagine the line is still here, your peak needs to be in line with that. Okay, so obviously it's a different shape, so it's going to look a bit funny when you fold it in half, but it is in half. And the idea of that is that we're going to wrap this around the tag like so, and hopefully it'll be the right side. I may need to trim one side a little bit, but we'll have a look now, and that will give us, oh, that's a terrible shape thing on the other side. Bear with me a minute, let me just straighten that semicircle up because it's annoying me. I can't find my large circle cut, and this is the only trouble when you're doing it freehand. If your hands are not very steady, there we go, that's better. It's not always going to be the right shape. Right, there we go. Okay, panic over. So I'm going to pop that in there like that. So we'll have a little pocket on the back, like so, and then we'll have a little pocket on the front, but it'll look really boho, I thought. So nice and easy to construct. A little bit of glue up here. Yay, which is working first time for me today. That's a novelty. I thought we'd go with something nice and simple today after our marathon ephemera holder yesterday. I did have fun making that though. Have you had a chance to look at that yet? Have you had a chance to have a go? When you get a minute, I do recommend that you do, because it was a lot of fun and not as complicated as it may look. Oh, you know me, I don't do complicated. There we go. And I am sorry, because I forget to say, everybody in the collaboration is saying, and I forget to say, the kits I'm working with are in our Etsy and Ko-fi shop. It's the Bohemian Girl range and the Bohemian background papers. So if you were wondering, somebody did ask me yesterday, what pages are you working with? And I was like, oh, I forgot to say. So there we go. Ink that down there. Ink that down there. And there we are. We've got ourselves a cute little double pocket tag. I think that looks really cool. Right, let's do another one. So this time I'm going to use the blue over the pink. And again, we folded it in half. I've inked around. I've folded this slightly differently this time. It doesn't matter. So this one's going to go up slightly higher, but I think that still looks cool. Okay, let's pop a bit of glue down here. They're just so simple and easy to make, and I just think they look really effective. Load them up then, put them into your journals. And especially if, you know, we have those fussy cuts and things that we left over, and if you want something to pop like all that into a journal, especially if you're giving it away to somebody, or if you're just putting it together for the month, And these are really handy then to keep, you know, like words together for a page or what have you. And you, like you say, all your fussy cuts. So super handy, and they're just super quick and easy to make. We like quick and easy, don't we? Yes, we do. And there's so many amazing things to be doing, so many wonderful projects to be working on. Plus life, because it does get in the way a bit, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh dear it. But there we go. There we are. Bit of ink around there. And I think they look marvellous. Right, let's do one more. Now, this one I'm going to do slightly differently. So I got some of these smaller ones here, and I'm going to do a wraparound tuck with this one. So I'm going to simply glue that very far point there. I think I'm going to fold it before I glue it, because I don't want to do that and then move it and then it be wrong. And I'm going to just wrap that around like so. But I just need to make sure that that fold is straight. There we go. Right. So that's going to clip onto there like so. And then we'll glue the bottom there. And then I'm going to put a bit of glue away there. So I'll just stop that from flapping around. And then we will do the same this side. We will glue here and here. Actually, no, I won't glue the top one. I'm going to just take that off a minute, let that dry. Because I'm going to use that as a tuck. Sorry. It's confusing myself then. Not hard, is it? There we go. So when that dries now, I think that looks really cool. What do you reckon? Right, let's grab some bits and bobs and we'll decorate them, shall we? 2 secs. Okay, so I have made the holes in my tags. I'm going to just pop these in them now. That's that one there, lovely. And that one there. And then that one in there. There we go. Lovely job. And then I'm just going to see if I've got enough. Oh, I got some more up there if I haven't anyway. But I thought we might use this as a bit of trim to jolly it up. I always do that the wrong way around, don't I? There we go. There's that one there. I've got enough there to do that one there. Do it the right way this time, shall we? I always get that back to front and I gotta put it through the eyelet. I don't know why. There we go, 1, 2, and then I got a little bit more up here. And we'll just thread that one through like so. Oh, come on, in you go. Come on. Those wonderful hairpins have more than one use, don't they? That's a bit long. It's just, there we go. Right, so that's our tassel bits done. So they're looking really boohoo. Okay, let's have a quick look now and decorate the front and stuff these pockets, shall we? So we've got some of these lovely lady images here. So I'm thinking I might pop 1 or 2 of those on there. She looks very wistful, doesn't she? Oh, I love this one. Pop her there. It's very romantic in style, isn't it? Yes. There we go. And then, where's my other? There it is. The greatest freedom is to be yourself. That's it. Let's just that one. I'll put that like so. And then the last one, we've got, let me just trim that bit of white off the top of there because that's going to drive me daft. There we go. Dob, dob, dob. I'll pop her there. And then, should we have Inspire there? No, we'll have Unique. I think I might. I wonder if I got room. I might put that on there actually, and then go with Inspire. Yes, let's do that. Right, okay, let's stick these down. Let's stick them down. Decision made. Let's put that straight. And then we'll take this one out at an angle. I know you said wonky then, but that just sounds like I am not trying. I want it to be at an angle. And then we'll have Inspire then here. Inspire. There. Lovely. And then we'll have this lady here with her, what is she playing? A guitar. Lovely. So she can sit there with her guitar. She's feeling free to be herself, which is always a nice feeling, isn't it? And then we've got this lady here then. Should we pop that perhaps behind? Yes, it makes it even more romantic, doesn't it? The flower. Yes. Let's pop that there like that. I do apologise for the music that's playing outside. I don't know where it's coming from. It's not me though. No. We had my thunderstorm yesterday. I think somebody's got builders somewhere and they've got the pleasant radio tunes going. I don't think I'd be very pleased with my house, but there we are. There we go. Right, okay. Now let's pop some bits and pieces in, shall we? Let's have some cutie elephants in there. I love that picture there. Absolutely love it. And pop those in behind there. Oh, there's nothing better than a pocket jam-packed full of goodies, is there? No, nothing better, say. I'm going to pop that one in there. And if we turn it over, I've popped some tags then into the back. Shall I pop a little word down there? Yes, why not? Why not? Let's go mad, shall we? Let's go mad. Let's make sure that's off that corner there. That's going to hang over slightly, but that's okay. We don't mind that. And then we got this one here. Should we put this on the back of here? It's nice if we're going to decorate both sides, you know, because obviously if we're taking them out and looking at both sides. Yeah, that works. Oh my gosh, it's gotten warm again today. All I want to do is go to the beach. And I'm so excited because we finally have booked a holiday with Mum and Dad. So we're off down to West Wales now in a couple of weeks' time, and I can't wait to take my youngest down because he hasn't been to West Wales with us since, well, we haven't been for about 10 years, so he was about 2 last time we went, and I grew up going on holidays to Tenby on Saundersfoot, so I want him to come down and see some of those places that I used to explore. Because it's an absolutely beautiful part of the world, absolutely beautiful. And I have very many happy memories there as a child. And yeah, it'd be nice to take Dan down and the boys, and we'll just go and explore and see what we find. Climb on some rocks. Found a lovely cottage house to stay in, and it's just up the road from the sea. If you know me well, you'll know that's the best place for me to be. I'm never happier than when I'm by the ocean. What else should we put on here? So to say I'm excited is an understatement. Should we pop her there? Yeah, let's pop her there. Yes, let's do that. She looks good there. You're getting quite a viewing this week, my girl. I think I've used you 3 times in 3 different sizes in the last 2 days. You're going to be our most used image, I think, this week. There we are. Fabulous. Love it. Let's pick those up. Put them back in my swanky new ephemera holder. Oh, I'm loving this. It was so nice this morning to come in here and know where all my ephemera was and to be able to just get bits and pieces out and use them. There we are. And they can tuck in there now. Fold that away. Have you seen the tutorial from yesterday for the ephemera holder? If not, do go and check it out. Lots of exciting places to keep all of your stuff. Oh, love it. Right, there we go. So we've got our tags with our double pockets. How cute do they look? There we go. Now, obviously, if you want to finish them off, you can pop a bit of stitching around the edge, all sorts of extra bits and pieces that you can do. But I'm keeping it simple there for you guys today. And I got to run because I'm off to having bloods done. Have a wonderful day. I will be back with you tomorrow. Don't forget to check out Pixiekdesigns. She is our collaborator for today. And I know she's going to have done something amazing. So please go and check out her channel. Don't forget to leave everybody a like and a comment on all of the collaboration videos because there's a huge giveaway and you could be in for a prize or more than one. Who knows? So make sure that you do that and don't forget to give everybody your support. Thank you ever so much and thanks for joining me today. See you all very soon. Bye.